don't like me because you think that I am an Arab.
What? No. What are you talking about? Something like that.
Excuse me.
Wait.
That
Oh, wait,
boy. I am his mentor. So, Mr. Kenneth, were we at financing?
Hey, did you change your mind?
When I discover that you betray me, perhaps. I hear you took the bike for yourself, my employee of the month.
Listen, man, me and Lamar was gonna get that back to you, dawg.
Oh, I am sure. You'll get this car off the daddy's boy, and then we talk. Insurance papers say they have a locked garage, so you'll need to gain access from inside the house.
Man, it's never easy with you, is it, Simmy?
Do not talk to me about easy, you thief.
It's just because you have a massive gaper, bitch!
You fucking homo, you're dead! Dad! He said I had a massive... Jimmy called me a bitch!
Dad, you fucking idiot!
Oh my god, seriously? My brother is such a homo.
Thank you, Coach.
Your politics?
Hey, Simeon, I got the ride, man. I'm coming back.
If you actually bring the repossession to me this time, I can have it back out on the street before the day is done.
That's a 9mm semi-automatic pushed against your skull. Don't look around. You just keep driving where you're going.
Hey, come on, man. This was a repo job. Guy was behind on his fucking note.
Unlikely, considering my son just... Easy! Considering my son just got the car. And looking at the way you're going about this, my guess, you're working a credit fraud.
A credit fraud? Be serious, dude. I just worked...
My finger's on the trigger, dipshit.
I just worked the fucking repo.
I appreciate a kid who follows orders without taking responsibility. Yeah, maybe one day we'll have a beer, and I'll explain how the world really works. Who gives you the slip?
A car dealer, dawg, by the name of Simeon Yetarian.
So this businessman, he look legit to you?
Look, man, it's just between him and your fucking son.
Don't worry. Me and Mr. Yetarian, we'll work this out.
That the place?
Yeah, this the place, man.
Whoa. Drive into it. Right through the fucking window. And fast. Or I'll put 2 rounds in the back of your skull and do it myself.
Man, you can't be for real.
I look like a fucking joke to you.
Man, fuck my life, man. Fuck it.
Ram it already.
Shit!
Franklin! What the fuck are you doing?
Mr. Samuel, it's not exactly how it looks.
I always trump big for a job well done. Now get out of here, kid.
You motherfucker! See now, you...
You think you could take the... Be an honest criminal.
You recognize this car? Huh? Does it look like it's worth $5 grand a month to you?
You fucking racist!
I'll tell you something. This thing's gonna need some serious body work for it's worth $5 grand a month.
He agreed to financing. I have his signature.
Yeah, did he agree to have some punk break into my fucking house?
I don't know.
That kid might be a fucking idiot, but you are a fraudulent scumbag piece of shit. Ugh. Don't make me have to come back here.
Hey, you selfish prick! What is this bullshit?
Let me ask you a question.
That's my car! You're such a fucking dictator! Why the fuck not?
We're taking my wife's car. Hey, Jim. I'm going for a drink with...
Dad! Shit! I'm in our boat going down the Western Highway! It's been stolen!
What? The yacht's been stolen?
I was trying to sell it. I know you didn't want it sold, but I need money, and they don't want to buy it, they just want to take it. hiding in the head.
You're insane! All right, I'm coming. For my boat! Alrighty then. Change of plans. My darling boy is in trouble.
Hey, I'll help you out.
Lesson number 1. Don't ever have kids.
Hey, man, look. If I had kids, I don't think no parenting issues would arise over who had boat privileges and who don't. Shit, motherfuckers would be lucky to sit in a bathtub.
Shit, things that desperate, huh?
Nah, but, you know, shit, I was making a point.
Mythologizing self-deprecation. I know it well.
Yeah, man, but shit, where the boat at?
Little shit's been hijacked. They're somewhere on the Western Highway.
Man, ain't you worried?
About my boat? Yeah, I am.
But you can always buy another boat.
Yeah, tell my accountant that.
Man, you can always get credit for one.
But have you come repo it? No, thank you.
All right, homie.
I ain't your homie. I'm someone you want to impress.
Really? Man, I thought you was retired. Why the fuck do I want to impress some slipper-wearing motherfucker?
Because I can still teach you a thing or two. Maybe help you open the door to all the joys that boat-related parenting issues entail.
So I'm gonna help you get this boat back, right?
That you are, my friend. Oh, there it is. That's my boat.
Your boat's in a fucking hurry, man.
Yeah, well, we'll catch them.
We got a plan?
Sure. Once I get us up close, you're the boarding party.
More like the falling in traffic party.
You'll be fine. Anything happens, I got a piece of the glove box. I'll cover you.
Oh yeah, man, fine. Just fucking fine. So you thought of everything, right?
Well, you said you wanted to learn the old way of doing things. This is the old way.
I'm not up here for fun, man. Get me near the damn boat.
Don't slip now.
Hey, you want me to do this shit? You better get me closer, man.
Shit! Stick on the hood, okay?
Whoa, whoa! I can't do this shit from here. Get me closer.
You got a tight grip? Good.
I'm not up here for fun, man. Get me near the damn boat. Hey, steady, man.
Hey, I don't want your death on my conscience, kid.
Hey, you want me to do this shit? You better get me closer, man.
Hold tight, pal.
I'm about to give up on this shit. I can't do this shit from here. Get me close.
Hold on.
No, homie.
Fuck. Fuck!
I'm not up here for fun, man. Get me near the damn boat.
I'd rather you don't slip under the wheels,
hey,
all right?
Hey, you want me to do this shit? You better get me closer, man.
Don't slip now.
What the hell was that? I can't do this shit from here. Get me close. Round the back, man. Here's no good.
There you go, kid.
Oh, fuck this.
Oh, there it is. That's my boat.
Your boat's in a fucking hurry, man.
Yeah, well, we'll catch them.
We got a plan?
Sure. Once I get us up close, you're the boarding party.
More like the falling in traffic party.
You'll be fine. Anything happens, I got a piece of the glove box. I'll cover you.
Oh yeah, man, fine. Just fucking fine. So you thought of everything, right?
Well, you said you wanted to learn the old way of doing things. This is the old way.
I'm not up here for fun, man. Get me near the damn boat. Shit!
Stick on the hood, okay?
Whoa, whoa! Hey, you want me to do this shit? You better get me closer, man.
You gotta take grip.
Hey, steady, man. I can't do this shit from here. Get me close.
Hey, I don't want your death
I'm
on my
about to give up
conscience,
on this
kid.
shit. I'm not up here for fun, man. Get me near the damn boat.
Come on, man.
Shit. Hey, you want me to do this shit? You better get me closer, man.
Hold tight, pal.
I can't do this shit from here. Get me closer.
Hold on!
I'm not up here for fun, man. Get me near the damn boat.
Get up there!
Hey, you want me to do this shit? You better get me closer, man.
I'd rather you don't slip under the wheels, all right?
I can't do this.